Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have a pop-up card again for you today, a printable colouring sheet pop-up card, which is a trophy, super cute. Now, don't forget, Ted is hiding in the video somewhere. Do try and find him and let me know down in the comment below where he is. But in the meantime, let's go and take a look and see how these pop-up cards are made. You can get the download from the Red Ted Art website. The congratulations version is free. The other ones are available on Teachers Pay Teachers. And then basically have fun colouring. I have another video where you can watch me colour and you can pop over and watch that if you like. Otherwise, let's see how these cards are assembled. So we have our coloured pages. Now it's time to assemble your card. So let's put that to the side and let's cut out the inside of the card. Now you can see a light grey line running down the middle. I'm going to fold it at that line. And then you carefully cut along this dashed one and along this dashed one. Here we go. See those cuts? So you can see that that's cut out. And now you fold it. Here's another light grey line. And give it a good crease. Open up. So this is going to come out. This crease needs to be reversed. And this crease needs to be reversed. So that when you fold it, this goes in. So make them all super neat. So this is this side. And there we go, look. Already you can see the mechanism, can't you? Now all we need to do is take our outside card and we need to stick this in place. So fold it in half again. Get my glue stick. And get the glue all over. Bring it, align it as neatly as you can with that center fold. Pat it down to get any creases out. Fold it over and again, glue it, add glue. And fold over. Open it up and you have your pop-up card done. Isn't that fabulous? So simple, so easy. Now remember, we have lots of extra stickers that you can decorate and cut out and personalize. So if Dad is into stationery, for example, you can add some, not stationery, DIY, you can add the DIY element. If he likes some sporting elements, you can stick those on, moustache, cars. So you can just personalize it and make it really special for Dad. And that's it. Your pop-up card is finished. So easy and so cute. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.